What do Japanese people actually eat for breakfast? You may picture a very traditional meal, but our everyday breakfast is much simpler. Today, I'll share 3 real breakfasts we eat at home. They are easy, quick, and perfect for busy mornings. Weekday mornings are always busy, so we keep breakfast very simple and practical. Usually, our breakfast is just rice, a quick side dish, and miso soup. To make things easier in the morning, I use frozen rice that I always keep on hand. Now let's start cooking. First is our very classic breakfast: natto, a fried egg, rice, and miso soup. Let's start with the miso soup. Today, I'm using some leftover vegetables, green onions, and enoki mushrooms. Just add them to a pot with water and dashi, and gently heat. While that cooks, I'll make a fried egg. At the same time, I warm up the rice in the microwave. Mix the natto with its sauce, and place it over the warm rice. Natto is a staple in many Japanese homes. My family loves it, so we always keep some in the fridge. Then the fried eggs goes on top. Finally, turn off the heat, dissolve the miso into the soup. If you're curious about how to make miso soup from scratch, I have videos linked below. This is one of my favorite breakfasts. It's simple but very balanced, a nice mix of protein and carbs to start the day. The second breakfast is even simpler: rice topped with salmon flakes and furikake, served with Napa cabbage and egg miso soup. For busy mornings, I often tear the Napa cabbage by hand instead of using a knife. It's a small trick that saves time. Add water and dashi to a pot and heat, and lightly beat the egg. While the soup cooks, warm the rice. Then simply add salmon flakes and furikake on top. Salmon flakes are very popular rice topping in Japan. They are seasoned and pair beautifully with plain rice. Furikake is a dry seasoning mix. Today I'm using one with nori seaweed. Once the soup starts to boil, reduce the heat and gently pour in the egg. Turn off the heat and dissolve the miso. No cutting board, no knife. Just a very easy breakfast. The third breakfast is perfect for very busy days: scrambled egg, rice, and tofu and wakame miso soup. For the soup, tear the tofu by hand and add it to the pot with wakame. Add water and dashi, then heat gently. For the scrambled eggs, I use a microwave. Mix eggs with frozen mixed vegetables and a little soy sauce. Heat in short intervals, stirring once, until softly cooked. Then serve over warm rice. When the soup is ready, add some sprouts, turn off the heat, and dissolve the miso. A very quick and satisfying breakfast. So these are our everyday breakfasts at home. Nothing fancy, just simple, comforting meals. I hope this video gave you some ideas for quick and easy Japanese breakfasts you can try at home. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.